So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily upload GIF files in Canva. So let's get started. First, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply log into your canva.com account. And once you're inside here, you can just tap on this create button over here at the top left section and simply head over to upload section. And once you click on it, you can basically click on this upload files or images. So as you can see, I've already created a draft project. So I will simply head over to my draft project over here. As you can see, I've opened my existing design. So to simply upload the new images over here, what I will be doing is simply click on this upload. So since we are uploading our GIF files, you can basically download the GIF files from anywhere in the internet. So you can basically search in for GIF download for free, and there are tons of sites where you can easily download the GIF files for free. So since I've already downloaded, I'll simply click on this upload files and choose my GIF files over here. As you can see, this is the GIF files. I will also show you from its properties from over here. As you can see, this is the .gif file, so it's the extension. So I will simply open this just like this and simply wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, it's the moving image, which is a GIF file. So all I have to do is just drag and drop it over here to my design inside the Canva. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.